Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to add products using a CSV file. So let's get started. So first off, let's head over to our products. And in here, let's head over and click on this import. And you can see that they have in here a sample CSV. So click on the sample CSV right here. And now this will be downloaded to your folder. So what you can do is you can open it up, and then in here, this will open your Microsoft Excel or any similar programs. And in here, as you can see, it is actually saved as a CSV. So you have in here the handle, the title, for example. So for example, let's name this product 1. And also let's name this product 2 as well. So you can actually edit it out. So it will be considered as a bulk edit when you try to upload products through CSV. You can edit out the vendor as well as the product category, type tags, publish options that we have right here. So in here, you can make it true or false, which on this case, if it's true, it will be actually published and active. But if it's false, it will be as only a draft. So we can also put in here a variant SKU, as well as the grams, as well as everything that you can see right here. So you can edit it out to whoever you want. You can also put in here image source, wherein it will show you the actual image that will be inputted to your actual product. So you can also put in here gift card, SEO, Google, and all of these things right here. Now, once you're done editing this, head over and click on this save icon. Now click on yes, and that this will be saved. So let's close it up and save this. And then let's name it as right here, and then save this and just replace the product. And then in here, click on add file. Once you have done that, head over to your downloads, select the ones that we have edited just earlier, and click on open. Now this is what it will look like. Click on this upload and preview. Now this will load like this, and it will show you the preview of your first product. Now click on this import products right here, and then as you can see, product import is in progress. So just wait for this right here to finish the import progress, and then you should be able to see this on your product page. So as of right now, this product has been added on your actual product page using the CSV file format. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.